Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Nikla. And if you've been here, hello, thank you, and welcome back to the last and final Wreck This Journal episode. So if you want to see everything that I get into with this last episode, and it's epic, go ahead and sit back and relax and enjoy the video, but also go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, so maybe I'll remember to put the actual pages up of what the pages look like for you guys to see this time, but if I don't, I'm sorry, you will see the text. But the first page, it says, to cover this page with very tiny thoughts from everywhere. So I'm going to sit here and write some thoughts, very small, and I'm going to try to fill this whole page up. I'm not going to show every little bit of it, but I'll show you kind of like beginning, middle, and end of my thought process of just writing on this page, nothing really specifics. So let's go ahead and do this tiny little thought page. So the next one is I am doing my own wrecking method, so I get to choose my own. Let's go ahead and do it. The next page here, it says, find a piece of string and tie this page with it. So I thought it'd be cool to make a little like paper bow. So I'm going to find some string and make a little paper bow with this page. So this page, I'm actually just going to rip it out. So yeah, I thought that would be really cool. This next page is going to be a little odd one. Like I can't end this episode without something odd. So this page says, use this place for blades of grass you find. So let's go ahead, go outside, get some blades of grass, and I'm going to need a bunch of blades of grass because I decided to do something little creative little picture on here and see how that goes. So let's go ahead and get those blades of grass. Okay, so with each of these little like entries that I have to do for the Wreck This Journal, like the blades of grass and the other ones that will come up, that I try to do like a journal entry type of creative DIY thing, but also do the requirements of the Wreck This Journal page. So that's why you'll see here I give little examples of that creative little fun ways to do the page, but also like a journal entry as well. This should be fun, but easy. And this page says dip this page in 3 different substances from 3 different environments. So I'm just going to pick 3 different kinds of substances, maybe some like food coloring dye or something like that, to just 3 different substances I'm gonna dip. I'm gonna tear this page up and just like dip it in there. And then also this part, I didn't know what 3 different substances to do. Around me, I had the food coloring, and so I did the red and the blue food coloring, but I had acetone, which, you know, it's not a different color. It doesn't really make the page different, so I used acetone, and then water, which technically it is 3 different substances, but it might not be creative and fun. And the last and final page for this whole final Wreck This Journal episode and the Wreck This Journal series that I'm going to do, the final page says, "This page is for handprints or fingerprints. Get them dirty and press them down." So I'm going to try to do something a little creative and more interesting and maybe more like a journal like, and do some fingerprint stuff. So if you want to like see what all I do, keep on watching. I am sad that the series has to go and end, but I finally made it to the end of the whole Wreck This Journal series and the Wreck This Journal pages that I'm going to do, and I'm sorry to see this series go, but I had really fun and a really cool time while doing this Wreck This Journal, and I ended off with a bang. So yeah, I'm excited that it's over, but also sad. But leave some comments down below if you like this whole series, you want me to do some other kind of series as well. Leave some comments down below and let me know. And other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, this channel, this series, this Wreck This Journal series. And yeah, so I'll catch you back this week with another video, and next week with some more other fun, cool videos. I have to think of something. If you don't want to miss that and miss out maybe another new series that I'm going to do or something like that, go down below and subscribe to my channel. Hit the great notification bell so you'll be notified and so you know the next series that I'm going to do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.